Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we've got one of these little mini desktop vacuums. Looks like a trash can for vacuuming off your desk or your computer or whatever. We'll open it and show you how to use it. Let's open this up and see what it does here, okay? There it is. Looks like a little trash can. There's some brushes if you need to brush things off. There's your on-off switch right there. Came with a little instruction manual for whatever instructions you might need. Shows you how to put the batteries in and how to take the bottom off so you can get to the vacuum, okay? Let's see what we can do here. It says right here on top, open, close. So we're going to open the top right there. Here's where your batteries go. Now the spring is the negative side of the battery, okay? Be sure you get that in the right direction. It won't work if you don't. Let's see, we'll put that back in right there. Close it, all right? If you need to brush something off, okay? I have a old laptop or desktop keyboard here that's been around for a long time. It's pretty dusty. I don't know if that's dust or if that's caked on there, but we'll find out. So you can do this and kind of brush it up. But it says right here, open, close, open this. There's your vacuum, okay? Turn it on. Yeah, it's working. Not the best in the world, but this old this old keyboard has been around for a long time. It's been sitting underneath the desk and all. You can see some of the dirt there we got off of it. So it must be working. Yeah, look at that dust. When you're through with it, put it back on here like this. Okay, turn it. It says closed that way. There it is, it's closed. Open this, you can replace your batteries. Now there's two little slots right there. Two little things right there that slip in those slots, okay? They slip in right there and you turn it and it's locked down. So let's see if we can do a little bit more vacuuming here and see what happens. I think before we do, let's brush this thing off a little bit first. Okay. Oh, this thing is dirty. Woo! I know it's been under there for several years. So look at that dirt on there. Let's open this up. See if we get any vacuum now. Hear it? Yeah, it's not bad. So if this stuff wasn't caked on, but if your laptop is I keep saying laptop. If your keyboard is sitting out and you use it a lot, you're going to get a lot of dust on it. This will take the dust off of it. When you're through with it, find your little hole right there, the slots. Put that back on there. Screw it down. There it is. Get that out of the way. Little trash can, all right? There it is. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.